KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
Hot August-like weather continues to headline the forecast for the rest of the week. Highs do back down by Friday and the weekend, back in the upper 80s with a bit of an increase in scattered showers and thunderstorms by then. Let's take a look at things early this morning. We have ridging across the southern states. That sinking air will keep us mostly dry. The mid-latitude westerlies up near the Canadian border keeping some very chilly air up there. They're in the 20s and 30s over much of Canada this morning, but around here, we've got 70s. We'll expect highs in the 90s again today. But after 8-9 days, we do expect a pattern change that should break the heat. There's the watch warning map early this morning. Got flash flood watches for parts of Arizona and New Mexico. Otherwise, things are pretty quiet. Marginal risk of severe storms up north today. Around here, North Alabama dry, just a few widely scattered storms for the south. Tomorrow, a risk of severe storms from the middle of the country up into the Great Lakes. And on day 3, which is Friday, got a risk of severe storms from Indianapolis up into Maine in advance of a cold front. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Heaviest rain a bit north and west of here. In our state, the Tennessee Valley, with potential for a little over 1 inch between now and Wednesday morning of next week. Generally under 1 inch for the rest of the state. And the tropics, really quiet. I know Florence, we had all the action here a few days ago, but it's pretty remarkably quiet. Joyce is now a post-tropical system off the board. Little disturbance in the middle of the Atlantic, very low latitude down toward the intertropical convergence zone. That is not expected to develop in the Gulf of Mexico. Very quiet. So model fans, let's go. This is the GFS, the O's 6Z run, valid today at 1. Upper high right on top of us. So you know what that means. Sunny and hot. Up in the 90s again today. Probably mid-90s. Tomorrow, same thing. Mostly sunny and hot. Will be in the 90s. The chance of rain is very small. Any showers, few and far between. But on Friday, the ridge weakens a bit. The precipitable water values increase, and we'll probably start to see an increase in the number of scattered afternoon storms. They'll be random, but a few folks could see some rain with highs in the upper 80s. And that'll be the deal for the weekend with a stalled surface front north of the state. Partly sunny Saturday, scattered mostly afternoon and evening thunderstorms. And the same thing Sunday. Highs for the weekend, upper 80s. Odds of any one spot getting a storm will be about 1 in 3, with higher odds near over the Tennessee Valley, closer to that stall surface boundary. That'll pretty much be the deal for next week. This is Monday. Warm, muggy, highs in the 80s, a chance of scattered storms. Tuesday, moisture levels seem to increase. And Wednesday, we see that big trough. That's our pattern change. The ridge breaker that is progressive. Down below that, showers and thunderstorms becoming more likely with the surface front approaching and ahead of the trough. And then go out there 10 days. This is the end of next week, Friday the 28th. The trough beating down the ridge. Showers ending, and after that, things should turn noticeably cooler right at the end of September. And how many times have we been saying the first good cool push of the season typically comes in late September? There are the numbers. Look at those mid-90s here in the short term. Ouch. 80s next week, and then 70s in here by early October. 55 showing up by early morning on October 1st. That sounds good. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. You can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.